Toby Chanco.
Honorable Toby Chanco is hereby recognized.
Sir, but before I speak, I think the Honorable Barsaga is standing up. So if he will have any manifestations, I will yield the floor to him.
Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, may we recognize Honorable Kiko Barzaga.
Honorable Kiko Barsaga is hereby recognized.
Okay, testing. I wholeheartedly accept the decision of the committee, but I maintain my stance that President Marcos must be held accountable for his crimes. Too many people have died and too much money was plundered from the Filipino people for us to stand down now. Whatever punishment may fall upon me and others who stand against this president who has lost his constitutional mandate, of serving the people is inconsequential in relation to the amounts of lives and futures that will be saved when
Majority
President
Leader.
Marcos leaves Malacanang. It took the deaths and imprisonment
Point of order,
Mr. Speaker.
to bring Marcos Sr. to
Point of order, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, may we recognize Chairman Abalos for the point of order.
Mr. Speaker, point of order.
Honorable JC Barsaga is JC.
Mr.
Abalos is hereby recognized.
Mr. Speaker, may I be recognized? The respondent has already spoken. He has said that he has accepted the imposed penalty under the committee report. Therefore, I reiterate the motion to consider the adoption of the committee report and call the roll of members for nominal voting.
Mr. Speaker,